This is going to be a quick look at a mechanical engineering group project that I worked on in the spring of 2022. Our ideation was primarily influenced by the Ramblin wreck and by futuristic concept cars, which seemingly never get produced, just like ours. Here is a list of part models for each group member. This group member made the dashboard assembly for the interior. These are my parts that I made. So an A-arm, or A-arms, the chassis, wheels, shocks, brakes, electric motor, the mount for the electric motor, and then rear bumper. And keep in mind these parts are they're not super detailed because this whole thing is a concept, not a working prototype. These are parts for the chair that one of our group members made, and then this is the body that our last group member made. This is the dashboard subassembly. This is my chassis subassembly. This is an exploded view with bill of materials and a brief explanation. I pretty much designed it like an RC car chassis because I'm pretty familiar with how RC car chassis are constructed, which is really not all that different from electric car chassis, although it's a bit less complex. This is a seat. And then here's the body. And here are renders of the full project. And we put it on our football field. Here's the rear render. This is an animation of the different components of the seat. This is an animation of the dash. This is an animation of the body. This is an animation of the chassis within the context of the total car.